this is Sherry and welcome back to I Love Thai Food. Today I am in Thailand. I am at my favorite beach, Chaam. It's very nice here. And we are on the way back to Bangkok. So I'll show you all the food that we have today in Thailand. Just follow me. So I'm going to film the journey today. I will leave Chaam around 11 o'clock and then we're gonna stop at my dad's hometown, Samut Sakhon. Then we will go to Bangkok. So we came to Chaam on Tuesday and we had a great a couple of days here. So I'm showing you where we stay. We stay at a hut on the beach. Yeah, this is where we stay. Really nice. So now we are driving from Chaam to Samut Sakhon. We will pass Phetchaburi province, Samut Songkhram, and then Samut Sakhon. It took us around 2 hours. Samut Sakhon is a famous fishery town of Thailand. It's connected to the sea, which is Gulf of Thailand. I grew up with all the fresh seafood, fish, prawn, squid. Yummy. But today we are going to eat something different. So let's follow me. Now we are about to come into Samut Sakhon area. My food is arrived. It's basically dry pork noodles, Tom Yum. I ordered so loud. Yeah, so I order like whole fun. Really nice and come with a soup. There's a set of condiments on the table. Now we will eat with chopsticks. It's noodles with pork, pork ball, minced pork, and pork wonton. What do you think about it?
Yeah, it's nice. Why would I eat it if it wasn't?
After lunch, I'm taking you guys to the temple. The temple with the long history and famous in Samut Sakhon. Wat Krok Rak. The temple is on Tajin River. And I'm here today to pay the respect and to get the blessing. I always come here when I have a chance. Coming inside the temple made me calm and feel relaxing. The Buddha inside I call Luang Pu. He's wearing sunglasses and people around here believe that he could help if you have a problem with your eyes. I really respect him and I have been coming here since I can remember. So we come for the barbecue today. It's a beef barbecue. I heard it's really nice. On the grill now is bacon, vegetable, and pork ribs. This is my favorite beef ever.
This one, part shaved cheese.
Yeah. I love Japanese Wagyu beef. It's wonderful and always melts in my mouth. It's very good price here in Thailand. We really enjoy them. So hi guys, we just back from dinner and we really had a good dinner today. So we're back to our flat in Ramatri. So it's really nice view. View of the expressway. Friday night. So good night and see you next week. We will review the restaurant in London, Thai restaurant. Thank you.